Welcome to part 4 of the HoudiniESQ Intro Training Series, the Global Search Dashboard. To use the Global Search feature, simply click in the Global Search field. Notice the screen has changed to the Search Dashboard. Type in your search criteria. This can be partial word, full word, or several words or phrases. You don't have to hit enter. Just give it about a second and your search will be executed across the entire system for all records that you have access to. Notice going from far left to far right, we have 11 contacts that have the word Wilcox in them. We have one matter that is Wilcox versus Emerson. We don't have any events, expenses, record plus records that have the word Wilcox associated with it. But we do have 3 invoices. We don't have any to-dos, notes, or emails, but we do have 8 documents with the word Wilcox in either the title or the text of the document. Houdini does full index searching across all of the text of all documents in the system. So any word within a document is searchable. Now the documents displayed here are all documents in the system that you have access to, not just for a particular matter. You'll notice as we mouse down the list of documents, we do have a preview feature which will show you the first page of the document. And it also highlights in the search results where the word that we search for is in the document. At the top of the result list of documents, you'll notice these sort and filter icons. The My Record icon will only display documents that you've created, or all documents if it's toggled off. You can also sort by type, which it currently is. You can sort by the staff member who created it. So you can see a lot of these were created by Frank. I have one down here. You can sort by date created, with most recent at the top. And finally, you can sort alphabetically. You can also filter by date if you know the date that the document was created. And so we'll only get documents that were created within this date range, and we can expand the range if we'd like to include more documents. To clear the date range filter, just click on the calendar icon again, and then click the clear button. Going towards the right, we also have these quick filter options, so we can select a specific date, or click all to show all of them again. This is a great way to get to the documents that we want to see very quickly. We can also toggle it from date to type. So if we know it's a type email attachment, or if we know it's a type letter for the document. We also have the graduation cap here, which means we have an in-app tutorial about documents if you want further information. Finally, the advanced search section for documents is only available on this page. You can add advanced search criteria such as Wilcox or another term, like that, or and another term, so both words would have to be present in the document. Or you can say Wilcox but not Mark. So you want all documents that have Wilcox somewhere in it but don't have Mark in the text of the document. You can do an implicit, which means that entire phrase has to exist somewhere in the document. Or you can do a contains. So Wilcox, Mark, and then anything after that would appear. If you look at the example at the bottom as you mouse over these, you can see if you did dance question mark, it would be dances with wolves would be returned, or dance the night away would return. The sounds like option is for words that sound the same but may not be spelled the same, such as in the example below, cereal versus cereal, the breakfast cereal. Up to 0.8, both cereals will be returned. 0.8 and above, only serials with an S would be returned with slight misspellings, such as the I and the A were swapped around. Below 0.8, you would get those results plus cereal, as in the breakfast cereal. Near words, for example, would be Wilcox within 2 words of Mark. So you know Wilcox is there, and then 2 words happen, and then Mark appears. The example below is, Jack within 4 words of quick. So Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. This advanced search feature is very powerful to find documents in a myriad of different ways. To clear this advanced search section, just click the clear button and your search criteria is cleared. To clear the global search area, just click on the red X in the top right hand corner, and we now have a blank global search dashboard. Thank you for watching part 4 of this intro series.